Everybody, I would like to do a vocal review of the Palm Springs aerial tramway. I'm here at lot F parking. So how it works is when you come in, you have to pay $10 for parking fee, and then they tell you which lot to park. So we're in lot F, and now we're gonna take the bus. It's gonna take us up to where we purchased the tickets to go on the tramway. But you can see it's a really scenic view up here, and you can see the snow up high in the mountain there. So we're on the bus. It's gonna take us all the way to the up to the where we get the tramway tickets. There's the tramway line right there. You can see how far it goes, all the way up there. So we decided not to purchase the tickets to go on the tramway because we have to wait until 6 o'clock, which is dark already, to board the tramway. So we don't see any point in going up there when it's dark. We won't be able to see the beautiful scenery in the dark, so it's not worth it. We'll have to come back some other time and go earlier, a lot earlier, to ensure that we can go up the tramway during the daytime and see the beautiful sceneries all around. So unfortunately we couldn't do it this trip, but next time if we're in the area we'll do that. But you can see just standing here, it's kind of pretty too in itself. You can see there's a tram car up there going up to the top.
326 only, please.
Yeah, we learned our lesson here. Next time we gotta come early. It's just today is so packed. Today's New Year's Day. And I'm not sure if that's the reason why it's so packed today or not. That might be the reason. But yeah, next time we gotta come here early to ensure we can board a tram car that we can go up during the daytime, so we can see all the beautiful sceneries that this ride has to offer. There's the base of the ride right there. So people embark on at this location and go all the way up. You can see that tram car going higher and higher. It's pretty impressive. Look at how far that tram car traverses. It's all the way up there, and then it's gonna go even higher up, going all the way to the top. Yeah, you can barely see the tram car. It's so high up there, moving up there. My goodness, look how I think it goes all the way to the top. That's where it goes. You see those two tram cars.
We are continuing to board the 336 car. 336 only.
You can see this tram car is coming down. It's going to be docking pretty soon here. Wow, look at that. There you go. It's going to pick up new customers. Coming into dock. People are disembarking there, and then you're gonna have a new group of people coming in. Okay guys, the moral of the story is you gotta come early if you want to go up the tramway during daylight, because there's a lot of people here and the wait time could be several hours. So you gotta come early, purchase your tickets, and that ensures, that gives you a good chance of getting on the tramway during the daytime. All right, signing off guys, bye.